Hello everybody, Miss Jackie Russell here and welcome to my channel. Today guys is Sunday. It is the Lord's Day and today we are going to take a special little look at the butterfly box. Yeah, I've got another one of these and I want to share it with you. This is a Christian box. Be still, be blessed, be refreshed. On this side, we have join our Facebook community to shop for other products at your butterfly box. So you can order and buy things off their site without subscribing. And then it says, so encourage each other and help each other grow stronger in faith, just as you are already doing. 1 Thessalonians 5:11. So this is a great box, and it is a butterfly box that inspires women to stay centered on Jesus and grow in their faith while giving back to the cause of Christ. And yes, with each box we do give back. This company gives back and does different various projects. Now I can tell you a little bit about this box. This box will help you grow your faith. It's a feel God's peace and joy, and it's experiencing lasting transformation and change, and that's the representation of the butterfly, and you share God's love with others. They have two different plans. They have the easy monthly, which is $36.99 plus shipping, and then they also have other plans where you can save more and you can get some free gifts if you subscribe for a longer period of times. They've got a 6-month all the way up to a 12-month, and you get 5 extra gifts if you sign up for a whole year. So they do have some great offers out there. If I have any offers or any discounts, which I think I do, it'll be down in my description for you to see how much you can save on your first box. With that said, this is their mission statement. Our mission is to help women stay centered on Jesus and grow in their faith and to back the cause of Christ. We are a women-owned business that curates quality products to help women focus on Jesus Christ each and every day. Our boxes are thoughtfully created by women for women, addressing the very issues that Christian women face while giving back. How do we do this? We create theme boxes that illustrate Jesus' beliefs, attitudes, and ideals. We introduce products to enhance time with Jesus involving refreshment, reflection, rest, and self-care. We support other Christian businesses, and we aim to support companies that improve communities, lives, and environments. So that is a little bit about them. They do quite a bit. I do believe that they, are generous and give to other entities and help out, with children, feed the hungry, just different things like that. So without any further ado, let's pop into this box and see what we have for the butterfly box. This was a box that I got as a specialty. Like I said, you can go on there without subscribing and order box. So this is a past box. This is a little sneaky peek. I probably may not have a card. I'm going to look to see if there's any kind of card in here. I can tell you they've got it packed up well. No card, so we'll just have to wing it. So I don't know any price values or anything, but I'll just tell you what I'm pulling out first. This is, if I dwell by the farthest oceans, even there your hand will guide me, and your strength will support me. Psalms 139, 9-10. And guys, this is a beach-themed box, in case you haven't figured that out. Even without a card, and I'm looking at it, I can tell that it's beach-themed. And I'm going to take this out of here. This is a magnet that you'd put on your refrigerator, and that's going to look so nice in my kitchen. I love that. I love that verse. So that's our first item. The next item that I'm pulling out of here is in this little blue bag. And it's a wooden cross. It's just smooth to the touch all over, and it's rounded off at the edges, so there's no harshness to it. Let's see what the little card reveals. This I declare about the Lord. He alone is my refuge, my place of safety. He is my God, and I trust him. For he will rescue you from every trap and protect you from deadly disease. He will cover you with his feathers. He will shelter you with his wings. His faithful promises are your armor and protection. And this is Psalms 91, 2-4. And guys, I believe every single word that I just read. God keeps his promises. God never fails. And if you're ever in a situation where you're feeling that he's failed, a lot of times you have to reflect back to yourself, because he will be there for you when you come back to him, just like the prodigal son. He is forever faithful. And unfortunately, we are the ones that are not able to always be faithful. And that's where Jesus Christ comes in with his grace, because we are sinners, each and every one of us. But through his grace, we are saved. Through his death, we are saved. The death, burial, and resurrection, and this cross is a reminder of that. And hallelujah, praise God for Jesus. Yes, ma'am. Yes, yes, yes. That's wonderful. I love that. And I think that is just a wonderful reminder of our Redeemer. Very good. Our next item is mightier than the waves of the sea is his love for you, and that is Psalms 83:4. So we're seeing how the ocean can play a big part in God's strength, his peace, his faithfulness. Oh my gosh, I can smell this from here. This smells so good. Oh, I want y'all to smell it. I wish we did have virtual smelling. Oh, that would be great. I don't know what the scent is. It's coconut, lime, verbena. Very nice. Oh, that smells wonderful. I love that. It smells just like the beach. Okay, guys, I'm loving this box. And then this says, the beach is calling. 90 devotions for rest and relaxation. And I love the beach, as you well know. So I just had to get this box. And then just a little sample of what might be inside is a time to sit and think. And this says, relax, everything's gonna be all right. Rest, everything's coming together. Open your hearts, love is on the way. Jude 1-2, The Message. And so that's from the book, The Message. But anyway, it's going to give you a little devotional, and then it gives you a little prayer. Father, I'm relaxed in your loving care today. So that's something to be thankful for. And the only way to plop down in our beach chair, dig our feet into the sand, look out over the turquoise water, and breathe in the salty air, spiritually speaking, is to believe beyond any shadow of every doubt that love is leading us. God's best is always grounded in love, and it's always what he wants for our lives. The best next step, the best path to our growth, the best outcome. We all have days when the waves crash relentlessly and our beach bag, filled with everything we thought we needed, goes floating out to sea. We sit silent, soaking wet, feeling helpless. Those are the days when the deeper breaths are needed. The fearless faith is tested, and the blind trust that everything is coming together for our good is more important than the overwhelming circumstances in front of us, especially when it looks like the circumstances have washed away all our hopes and dreams. Our days come one at a time, and grace is sufficient to handle each 24-hour increment as it comes, too, without fail. We have what we need when we need it. Every day will not be a day at the beach, physically or spiritually, but every day will move us toward a place where we can exercise more trust, enjoy more peace, and look a little more like Jesus. That's all that really matters, because that's all that's eternally measured, what we do to point others to Him. Some things we pack in our little survival bags from day to day weigh us down and slow our progress. God allows the washing away of dependencies we hold on to tightly, self-security we lean on too much, and material things distracting us too often. He wants us to rest in Him, just like we relax into a day at the beach, a time to sit and think about magnitude of His love and never-ending waves of His grace and His thoughts of us that outnumber the grains of sand. He doesn't rest while carrying the every details of our lives. That frees us to rest in knowing everything's coming together for good. That's an ocean of love behind it. Father, I'm relaxed in your love today. So I just read the whole one devotional to you. So that will give you an example of what to expect in this whole book. And it looks like we even get a divider. There's one called The Gift in the Wait. So sometimes we have to wait for God. So the beach is calling 90 devotionals. And I'm going to love this book. I love the beach and I love God overall. And I'm so thankful that I have Jesus Christ, my Lord. And if you don't know Jesus and our God, I encourage you to go find a local church or local ministry where you will find out more about Him and His saving grace. And we got this little balm. This is a lip balm, and it's a balm standard, it says. And it's pineapple and coconut. Ooh, that sounds good. Oh, yeah, I'm going to like that. I like pineapple and coconut. Very nice. So we got a lip balm. As a recap, we got this lip balm. We got our wonderful devotional that I'm going to enjoy reading and getting closer to God. And like they say, helping women become closer to the Lord through our daily walk. I've got this wooden cross. And we had this nice little magnet to put on our refrigerator or wherever a magnet will hold it. I think this was a great box. What do you think? Do you have a favorite item? Let me know down in the description if you like any particular item. I thought the little cross was really nice, and it's, you can hold it. It's smooth. It doesn't have any rough edges. So very nice. So we got the balm. And we got the candle, and this candle smells so good. So let me know, what was your favorite item? Did you have a favorite item? We got 5 items in this box, and I believe I got it for $19.99 on sale. So it was a great buy. So be sure and go check them out. If you'd like to subscribe, be sure and use that discount link. Be sure and check my descriptions for any giveaways or anything that is going on, plus the discount code for the butterfly box. And as for today, that's all I have. And as usual, I wish you all a blessed and happy day. Bye-bye.